Tarot reading for the week of September 2nd, 2024. The cards drawn during this tarot reading are: the Lovers symbolizes love, relationships, and important choices. The Moon represents blockages, illusions, and hidden secrets. The Devil represents temptations, addictions, and dark forces. The Hermit symbolizes wisdom, solitude, and the search for answers. The Fool represents new beginnings, adventure, and the unknown. Justice represents balance, justice, and law. The High Priest represents spirituality, guidance, and wisdom. The Star represents hope, realization, and divine guidance. The Tower represents sudden changes, upheavals, and destruction. Temperance represents moderation, balance, and patience. Strength represents inner strength, courage, and perseverance. The Magician represents new beginnings, creativity, and manifestation. Tarot reading summary. The week promises to be a period of transition and transformation. After a phase of blockage and uncertainty, new opportunities arise. However, it is important to make informed choices and take thoughtful decisions. Key points. End of blockages. The Moon indicates a period of stagnation that is coming to an end. New choices. The Lovers symbolizes important decisions to be made, guided by the wisdom of the Hermit. Action and audacity. The Fool encourages you to move forward with confidence and seize new opportunities. Upheavals. The Tower announces important and unexpected changes. Inner strength. Temperance and strength invite you to face challenges with serenity and determination. Advice. Take a step back, give yourself time to think before making important decisions. Trust your intuition, listen to your inner voice, and follow your heart. Stay positive, despite obstacles, maintain an optimistic attitude, and focus on your goals. Ignore negative energies, do not let yourself be influenced by people or situations that seek to destabilize you. Celebrate your successes, take the time to recognize your progress and congratulate yourself. In summary, this week is conducive to new beginnings and personal growth. By showing courage and wisdom, you will be able to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. If you enjoyed these clairvoyance predictions, do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel, like and share with your friends and on social networks.